In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find reel templates in Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then swipe to the right and select Reel. Now the easiest way to find a template is just stop at the gallery icon and it will show you templates option at the top of the screen. If we tap on it, we'll be able to search for different templates. Right here we can see the preview for the particular template, and then if we would like to use one, we can just tap on it. It allows us to download multiple clips such as photos and videos. All we have to do is just tap at Add Media, and then we just need to choose up to that number of media files, just like that. So we can just select photos or videos simply by check marking them in that way. Once we are done with that, to continue, we need to tap at that arrow, and then it will show us the preview for our reel that has been generated from the template we have selected. Once we are done with that, we need to tap at Next. That's how you can easily find and use template in Instagram.